What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. Stop number 4, Black Friday, Nike outlet, East LA. Let's go see what's up. We do got a little line, probably like 30 people in line or something. Shouldn't be too bad. It's almost 1 o'clock. Let's see what happens. All right, let's see what the wait is like. Didn't wait more than a couple minutes. Not too bad. Not too bad. Let's see what we find, you guys. See what we find. 30% off. 30% off everything. Let's see what we find. You guys know how I do it. I usually go straight to the back. See what's going on in the clearance section. 30% off the entire purchase. Alright. I've never seen these before. What the heck are these? What are these? Some N354 slides? It has these things out, and they couldn't get it. Oh, it has 2 different ones. What do you guys think about these slides, huh? Anybody feeling these? What are these going for? Going for $85 for slides. That's insane. Yeah, man, I'm gonna hit up. I'm gonna stop at the outlets today. I'm gonna go to the malls after because there's just not much. The Tailwind 4 is going for $120. This is a size 10. Prices are kind of mediocre, and just the stuff they have is just not great. Jordan Proto React, these are size 10s, going for $80. Do you get 30% off? Drop types going for $85. 10.5 PG Digicamo. We just saw these for $50 at the stores. They're asking for $110. All right, took a little break. I was talking to the homie Carlos. We was having a great conversation. But yeah, going back, we're on the 11s now. The Hybrid S2s, these are dope. But we saw these on sale at the stores. Saw them at the stores. But yeah, $140 here. Wow, 30% off. It's like, I'm gonna hit up the malls because the prices are more than the malls right now, dude. More 11s, LeBron low. Man, dude, this is just weird. Even with the sale, even with that 30% off, like retail game, $160 for these, and then 30. I guess that's just weird. More retail. You guys know 30% off. Alpha Dunks, 10.5, go for $80. What's going on down here? The Westbrooks, why not 0.3s going for $100? Okay. Got a couple Air Max 98s go for $120. These are dope. Do I see yellowing? No, these are clean. These are clean, man. That might be the dopest thing we've seen so far. What are these? 200s going for $150. See, man, that's just insane, you guys. Okay, we saw these. This is cheaper than at the mall. Okay. These are going for $120, size 11s. These are the Toon Squad. Size 13s, you guys just get this last column. That's it. No love for the big feet gang. Size 12, going for $90. Okay, it's like finally decent prices, especially with that 30% off. This is a PG3 TB navy colorway. Oh, I thought this was an Air Max. Nope. Size 12 tennis classics, going for $35. What size is this? Size 14. Dang, we don't even have any 13s. What the hell? But yeah, Air Force One React going for $120. Dude, 13s. You guys got this stuff, really? Zoom Pegasus 34s. Like what? Got some supercharged. Man, that's just like a size 11. Guess we got one of these size 12 going for $30. Okay. 13s. I can't find a single sheet. Wait, oh, here, this is what you guys get, size 13. Flex Control Trainer 3s. I don't know what the hell that is. Oh, wait, and then some Phantom Venom Pros. That's it, you guys. I don't see any 13s. Wow. I think this is the size 10. We're back to the smaller sizes. Oh, 11.5. Okay, got these Lakers colorway of that tempo. It's going for $130. This one that Derek Fisher wore. 9.5. The Zoom Janowski's going for $50. Tailwind to $120. React, the Proto Reacts going for $80. Jordan Maxon 200s going for $90. Yeah, we're scrapping this, you guys. Let's check out the aisles real quick, and then we're gonna go across street to Footlocker. That's what we're gonna do. Kind of cool to be able to get these full box at 30% off. It's kind of a weird box because there's nothing. There's no branding, just that one thing right there. That is one hell of a deal, to be honest. Super comfortable. Plenty of sizes, 7 all the way to 10.5. Okay, not too many sizes. All right. React Visions, Dude got some Elements. Dude got some Kobe NXTFF. Man, this name's like way too freaking long. Got sizes 9 all the way to 11 and a half, I think. That's it. Dang, dude. Got some PGs. Got some PG3s. Kyrie low 3s. Ultra Fly 2. Man, who cares about them? You know what? I'm irritated as hell. Let's get out of here. I'm so irritated with this selection. This is nothing. Alright, let's smash out. Alright, I finally found something that is dope. That is dope. Got some Mookie Betts jerseys, you guys. Go for $135. You did get 30% off. That is super dope because, yeah, you're not gonna find too much. You're not gonna find too much Dodger gear on sale. But yeah, I got the white ones and the blue ones. Got plenty of sizes too. I'm gonna post this on Instagram right now because that's a solid deal, you guys. Solid deal. All right, I am looking at. They do got some Bellingers as well. That's hella surprising. Oh, I think this whole side right here, but are they only all XL? Yeah, I think they're all just XL because there's a large right here. That's a Betts. Yeah, I think all the Bellingers are all extra large. But that's pretty dope. Pretty dope. All right, I'm still irritated, so we are still leaving. Still leaving. Dang. Footlocker across the street. Let's see if they could save the day and have some dope stuff. Hope we can find some heat. Hope we can find some. All right, might have to pay regular price, but at least it's some heat because the other spot didn't have jack. I think those are the bigger sizes only. And this is 11 and a half. Jordan 12 Concords. Super dope. 11 and a half and probably bigger. Decent size of those. Got a couple of mids. Not too bad, not too bad. $100 for those, the Team Jumpmans. I know some of you guys are pretty big fans of these. Got 3 different colorways. Normally these are $140, so a little discount. Westbrook 3.0s. All of those bad boys on sale. And I guess, oh wait, I was gonna say they have ones with straps, no straps. That's the one without the straps. Those are the ones with the straps. But they're all on sale. Oh, wait, right when I say that, I pick up the one not on sale. But all the other ones, $69.99. What do you guys think about these? The Defies, $60. Normally they're what, $125, so 50% off. Okay. Zoom 92s. I know the PSG ones had a little bit of height to them, but yeah, does have zoom on the front, zoom out. Got a few different colors. Okay. Dang, they're all on sale. All right. We've seen these 4Ds on sale at plenty of places now. I didn't know they had $200 ones. I guess they have different tier ones, like the high-end ones and the lower-end ones. Because these only started at $220. So yeah, I thought they were all like $300-400 things. Footlocker continuing the trend of being an Adidas outlet. It's got Ultra Boost for crazy cheap, like $70. That's cheaper than the Adidas outlet. I swear to God. Got the, I don't know which. I think this is one of the. I don't remember which one this is, but yeah, one of the Ultra Boosts right there. Got canvas ones, all on sale. The hard courts, I swear these are cheaper than the Adidas outlet, man. Got the old schools, I don't even know, the top 10s, okay. Got a bunch of colorways of those. The basket profiles, what the heck? Got a few of those though. These were cheap as hell right after COVID or during the quarantine or whatever. But yeah, they've started climbing up in price a little bit. We saw these for as low as $30. Stan Smiths, we saw these for hella cheap as well, but they've started to creep up in price a little bit. Kind of similar to the malls. Got plenty of Prestos on sale. Pretty much cheaper than the Nike outlet stuff, man. $60 for those, and then $50 way up top. Oh hell yeah, that's cheap as hell. Pennies. I think these are the penny 5s on sale. Both going for $80, not too shabby. This one was on sale. Oh, 7? Oh, dang, so everybody's been open early, huh? Okay. We saw these on sale. I forgot where we saw these, but we saw them on sale a while back. Then be all black ones, okay. Yeah, I got these on sale. The Flight Posit 2's not too bad. LeBron's all on sale. Like, didn't we see these for a regular price or way higher at the outlet just a couple minutes ago? I know we saw these were more expensive. Like, that was more expensive. That was $89.99. Damn, I like these. I like these. I'm just not in a buying mood right now. Damn, I do like these because you could wear this with almost anything for $30. $30 freaking dollars, and it's all suede leather. Oh shoot. Yeah, I gotta get him. I gotta get him, dude. Damn, this is too. I don't need more shoes though. I just don't need more shoes. Oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna have to think about that, man. Dang. Someone was asking about these. Who was asking about these? But I don't know. I don't think there's much special about them. They're just yellow. I don't know. Have a Nike Day one? I don't know. I don't know. Let me know. Let me know what I missed about these, because someone commented about this in my last video. I forgot who it was. My bad, guys. But yeah, dude, got plenty of the Air Force Ones, you guys. Just so many. Surprised that one's not on sale because that's been sitting forever. Oh my goodness, I forgot how light these are. Oh my god, these are light. Holy crap, these are dope, dude. $120 for these. That recycled material one. That's dope. Or when the Reebok Air, man, if this goes down in price, I'm gonna have to cop these, man. It can go down like $20 more. Like I gotta grab these, man, because it's a dope colorway. That one too. Maybe it's that. That one goes down a little bit. I just don't really do blue shoes. Don't really have much to wear, I guess. I don't know. And then Iversons, those aren't bad. $60. Do got a couple of these. Dang, this is pretty dope. Reebok Club, the Tom and Jerry version, $60. $70 for these. Pretty dope. See, if I had a Mercedes, I'd be all over this. This is fire, dude. This is the Patronus colorway, or the Patronus version of the RSX F1 team. Super dope. These are normally $80. These are the Future Riders. These are pretty dope. Got some suede, nylon. Okay. Got the BMW version. I didn't know they make the F1 versions of these. Okay, the BMW version of the Future Riders. Pretty sweet. They actually have 2 other colorways. Both go for $50, man. That's crazy. So we are checking out the kids' wing of the Jordan section. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Is this the only size they have? Because this is size 4. Size 4, wow. 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 $40 off, man. That's insane. Got some more. These are the Jordan 8s. I don't know what colorway, but it is one of the Jordan 8s. Dang, kid sections. Giving Jordans away right now, wow. Alright, that might be a little bit of a hyperbole. They're not really giving Jordans away. The prices aren't that crazy, but yeah, $50. Normally $90. Not too bad. Guess these are the Max Aura 2s. And yeah, man, I still need to wear these. I like these. I don't know why I haven't worn them yet. Did they make these in men's sizes? Because I would so cop this if there was a men's size. This is dope, dude. $60? Man, that's dope. Still in the kid sizes. Got some more Air Force Ones. Go for $60. Dang. Rarely ever see Up Tempo is on sale. Wow. Kids version normally goes for $130 down to $80. Foam's on sale. Dang, everything's on sale for kids. What? $40? These are $100 off? Oh wait, the kids version's $110. So what? That's still $70 off? That's insane. Yeah, we've seen them on sale, but that's like the biggest sale we've ever. Wow, that's the lowest price we've ever seen them. Holy crap! And obviously the kids' shoes are on sale because kids aren't going out. But wow, these prices are insane. Yeah, man, insane. Insane. That's, man, we're gonna go to the mall because I don't want to go to the Nike outlets. I'm just gonna get mad. Super dope. All right, it's getting late. We're gonna check back. We're gonna go to one of the other stores, so we're gonna wrap it up, you guys. All right, you guys, I'm so happy that you guys made it to the end of the video. All 7 of you guys, because man, that Nike outlet, that was painful, you guys. Man, I think I'm gonna have to hit up the malls, because yeah, these Nike outlets, they're just not hitting, man. They're just not helping us out. Don't have much new, so we're gonna switch things up, go to the malls, and we're gonna finish the week with that. I did just hit on my pair of the Jordan 4 Fire Reds, so that was pretty dope, because that did happen while I was at the Footlocker. I did check, and I won. That was pretty cool. I don't think they were hard to get, but I'm just glad I was able to get one, so that's pretty dope. Maybe I'll find one of those at the outlets, but nowadays I can't find anything at the outlets, so who knows? It is what it is. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Definitely appreciate you guys watching. Definitely appreciate you guys supporting the channel. Make sure you help your boy, press that like button. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell. I do drop a lot of videos, guys. See you guys next one. Peace.